Coach Mel here from Sincerely Creative. I am here to show you really super quick how to make a dog paw wreath, really a dog paw wreath base, right, with 4 6-inch grapevines and 1 16-inch grapevine. It's going to be super quick. So we have a 16-inch grapevine. Y'all, if you haven't before, let me just go through this first. Clearing a grapevine can be super easy. I usually only clear one side of it. I'm trying to kind of make sure that one side that's going to go against the door is going to be the smoothest to the touch, right? So I am going to clean one side of it just so that you can see. So we're going to just do a quick run through with my little hand and make sure I don't have anything pokey. I'm only worried about one piece, one side. Y'all, if your grapevine is real tight knit, this one's kind of real good. It's kind of tight knit, or even if it's really loosey, it's okay. Your customers know it as a grapevine or a twig base, and you're totally good, right? You're totally good. So I'm just going really quick and taking off anything that I feel like could get caught or be a real pain. Okay, so this side is going to be my back. The side that I didn't touch is going to be my front. I have 4 6-inch grapevines, okay? And I'm going to put them, I'm going to find my spot. Now look, this grapevine, look, doesn't it look a little funky? It looks funky. It looks funky. It's got a funky side to it. It's okay. I'm not going to put it on the bottom where it would be totally noticed, right? I'm going to put it at the top where I'm going to kind of bunch in those grapevines at the top, because look what we're going to do. We're going to make it look like a dog paw. How stinking cute is that? Super easy, okay? Super easy. I want it to be super tight. I want to tie it for the bottom of the 6-inch to the top of the 16-inch in all parts. And then, because I want them to stay together, I'm going to tie them together, okay? Now, I'm going to use green pipe cleaners just so that you could see what I'm doing. I wouldn't suggest you use green pipe cleaners, but I just want you to be able to see exactly what I'm doing and where I'm placing the pipe cleaners. Okay, so what I would normally use is zip ties, black zip ties, so that kind of blends in, okay? I would use, if you don't have those, you could use brown pipe cleaners, okay? If you use brown pipe cleaners, you could use black, but black kind of shows up, and that would be like extreme emergency. What I always use is, I found this wire. It's floral wire, but it's wrapped in like brown kind of paper. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm going to work from the back. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this over again. So I'm working on the back, right? Just because that's where I want my ties to be, on the back. I don't want them to be on the front, okay? So I'm gonna go towards the bottom of this one, okay? And then I'm gonna come up towards the bottom, or on the top. Okay? This is gonna be really super easy. Nice and tight. Twist it so that it stays nice and tight. That's the whole point. That's what we want, okay? So if it was a brown pipe cleaner, if it was, or a twist, or what are these? Zip ties, I would still do the same. Cut it off and kind of tuck it into the bottom. I have one in, and I'm just going to place them all together. I'm going to keep doing the exact same thing. Okay, I'm sliding this down in. I want to take enough so that it's nice and sturdy, right? I want to take enough so it's sturdy, but I don't want to take the whole thing, okay? So what I don't want to do is, I don't want to take the pipe cleaner and wrap it around the top here. I don't want to see it. I'm really trying to mask, even though I'm using bright greens just to show you, but I'm really trying to mask the pipe cleaner being there. So I found, after trying to make this and figuring out what to use, what sizes to use the best, I found the best for me is a 16-inch grapevine, okay, with these 6-inch small ones on top. Sliding this down, taking a nice little bit here, but not a lot. You see, I'm just coming on the bottom just a little bit. Sliding these through is sometimes the hardest thing to do. Remember, this is going to be my back. So they're on, but look, they're still kind of, you know, wonky, right? Just using the green so you can really see so it stands out. Okay. So I'm going to feed this through here. And then come through. Now I'm just same with the tops and the bottoms. I'm just taking a little bit of each side, tying it nice and tight. Okay, nice and tight, twisted it probably, I don't know, 7 or 8 times. I'm going to cut off the excess. And then once you have this part done, you know, you're free to add bows, a sign, all the fun decorations, florals, all that stuff. So not that you can, you know, really see, but I try to make that green stand out a little bit. So here's my dog paw, right? I added the green, so I used pipe cleaners 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? We just took a little bit of the bottom and a little bit of the top to secure those two together. And then same over here, I took a little bit of the side and a little bit of the side to secure those two together so they wouldn't be kind of wonky. And then if you're going to hang it, you could hang it from one of the paws. You could hang it from the back, right? You could, from here, you could do a lot of things. You could add florals, bows, a sign. You can do all this stuff and make it real fun. But this is just a quick 1, 2, 3 on how to show you, right, how to do the actual dog paw. You guys, if you don't know me, I am Coach Mel from inside the Wreath Chateau, the coaching group, the Wreath group, all those things. It's all the same thing. We would love to have you inside the group. We have guest designers. We have a whole bunch of stuff. Damon, of course, Jackie from the Fancy Front Door. We're having a great time, and we'd love to have you. So that's it. If you have any questions, please let us know. I'll be checking the chat to answer anything you have. Bye, y'all. See you later.